Okay, so let's take some trades right in front of you. I think Boom 500 is going to drop. This is the same strategy that I use for trading Volatility 75 index. Again, I use it. It's basically supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you call it. So you can see the my boom, that candle has touched that level for me. I'm interested in that level, so that's why I took some sales there. Again, I am using minimal risk. I'm big on preserving capital, so that you fight another day. Somebody might say, why are you not using 10 standards? Why are you not using 100 standards? Well, this is the way that I trade. If you want to go in with 100 standards on your account, well, that's for you. But anyway, you can definitely see why I took those trades. You can see on my 1 hour time frame there, we touched that level. If we go to the 4 hour, it's same deal, just confirming. On the 4 hour, it's same level. 1 hour, same level. If we let's see, if we go to the 30 minutes, same deal basically, even on the 15-minute time frame. So everything is clear for you why I took this trade. It's clear for you why I took this trade, and yeah, we'll just see what happens with the trade. I'm not saying for those people that are going to come in the comment section below, I'm not saying this is a magic strategy that is going to transform you into a millionaire overnight. No, I'm not saying that. But it's a strategy that works for me. Basically, I don't trade in this black zone. I just wait for price to come to those levels that I've marked. And these lines, I did not mark them today. The same lines that I've marked in the previous videos. You can watch those videos after watching this video. It's those same levels that I marked previously. So you can mark these levels for the whole month or for the whole week, whatever you choose. Of course, it's going to take some practice. It's going to take some practice on your part to understand how it's going to happen, because let's face it, trading synthetic indices is risky. Synthetic indices will take your money. That's a disclaimer. There. Synthetic indices will take your money, especially if you do not know what you are doing. But here I'm just showing you that you can basically trade synthetic indices just like Forex. You don't need to treat them like a special kind of trading instrument or asset. The same understanding that you have of Forex trading, you can actually bring it to synthetic indices and you can make some money. And of course, it's risky. It's like trading NAS 100 or US 30 versus trading your normal Forex pairs like Euro USD or stuff like that. It's risky. That's why here, for example, I'm trading Boom 500. I'm using like smaller lot sizes, because if it spikes out of my trades there, and God forbid it spikes out there, yeah, it means my account is going to be at risk. But this is another video just to show you how you can actually make money without cracking your head looking for complex systems, complex concept, complex indicators and all that stuff that people are selling out there. With a simple understanding of supply and demand, you can do this. You can quickly scalp this. And you already know my technique. Go in big and get out of the trades as soon as it reaches my points. Here I'm just targeting $1 per trade, $1 per position that I enter there. Then I just close the majority of those positions, and whatever happens to the remaining position, at least maybe the cost is already covered by those trades that I've closed. So yeah, let's see how it goes. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. That's the only way you are not going to miss future videos. And like the video, you don't lose anything by liking the video. But what you do is you show me that you appreciate what I'm doing and that I should keep on going. If you have any questions, guys, people are shy to ask questions. That's why people lose money in silence. People don't want to look like they don't know anything. If you have any questions that you might have that you think maybe I can help you with, leave the comments in the comment section below. You're just confirming what I'm looking for there. But leave your comments in the comment section below and I'll try my best. I might not have the answer that you are looking for, but I promise you this, I'll try my best to find the answer for you. And yeah, we help one another. That's the goal of this channel. By the way, there are links in the description box below. You can visit those links and see if you cannot find any forex robots, books, tools to use in your trading. Everything there is for free. Everything that we do here is for free. The broker that I use, the link again is in the description box below. So yeah, I'm just waiting to get to a dollar per position that I opened there. Then I can just close out those dollar trades and see how it goes. But otherwise, this is right in front of you. In case somebody thinks, oh, this guy only shows us when he has taken trades, so probably how do we know, how do we trust him? This is right in front of your eyes. Again, I'm not bragging. I'm not saying my way is the correct way. I'm not saying my way is the only way. I'm not saying my way is the magic formula. I'm not saying anything about me. I'm not saying I'm the best trader. I'm not saying anything like that. I'm just showing you that trading can be so simple. Trading can be so simple. If you are using moving averages and they are making you money, trust me, I'm happy for you. Good for you. If you are using Fibonacci and it's making money for you, trust me, I'm so happy for you. And keep on doing it. Don't come and try and maybe take Fibonacci and try to use it with this other thing and that other thing and dilute it and stuff. That's how people actually end up losing money. But yeah, this is what has been working for me, whether it's volatilities, whether it's boom and crash, step index, and stuff like that. Jump index, jump 75. So yeah, I hope this video inspires you to just go out there and practice and try to come up with a system that actually works for you. Otherwise, let's have some music as we see how this trade plays out.